Hi everyone, welcome to the Stat Programming. Today I'm talking about Forrest Plot. I will give you really a good resource about how to create Forrest Plot. So here, this is a typical Forrest plot, and this kind of plot has a really rich information. Um, I think it can cover majority, more than 90% of a typical forest plot. It has lots of information on this plot. You can see there's a subgroup column. They have number of patients with the numbers. It has a hazard ratio um, here, and they have different groups and a p-value. They have lots of feature like bold text. They have indentation for the different groups. They have PCI better or therapy better, different groups, which they favor which group. As you can see, this part is really rich for. So to create this kind of plot, first you can Google um, this paper. It's really helpful. So with this paper, you will have a general idea what is a forest plot. Then it has a really detailed step-by-step showcase using SGPlot in SAS 9.4. And for the each statement, it will show you how to control each element of this figure. As I mentioned before, you can control the width for each column, the header of this plot, the text, the, the boldness, the indentation, the size, the reference line, the X label, and every detail. So this is one of the best paper I have um, for anyone who made a decent forest plot. Okay, hope you enjoy it.